Hey everyone, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. We did a cheesy mac and cheese recipe. I know a few weeks back I had posted a creamy vegan mushroom pasta that I'll link right up above so you guys can check it out. Earlier last year, I actually made a pesto edamame pasta, but I could not resist in making another pasta recipe. This one is a vegan vodka pasta that's non-alcoholic. So this recipe only requires a handful of ingredients. Honestly, I can count on my hand, maybe +1, so 6 if you want to count salt and pepper. It's a one-pot recipe. It should be really simple to make, and this is really great for meal prepping too, for lunch, for dinner. It's a quick recipe, so I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. It's simple ingredients that we probably already have in our pantry and kitchen. I will make sure that I post the blog link right down below so you guys can check out the recipe and go directly straight to my website. You'll see the recipe, instructions, nutrition facts, pictures, step-by-steps, everything and all the above. So if you haven't done so already too, make sure that you click subscribe. It really helps support my channel, and I love how I've been growing this small community and hopefully bigger community of Clarissa's Kitchen. Also turn on those notification bells because I'm posting videos every Saturday. Now without further ado, let's begin the recipe. First, let's start by boiling water in a pot. Since I made this a one-pot recipe, I used a large saucepan with long sides to hold enough water to boil the pasta. Then season with some salt and some olive oil. I'm using the Bonza brand for the gluten-free pasta. I personally love this pasta and have used it in a few of my past recipes because of its taste and texture. Follow the instructions on the box, and I usually cook the pasta a minute or two less, making the pasta al dente to finish cooking when we add it to our sauce later. After you drain the pasta and set it aside, we'll be mincing 3 fresh garlic cloves and adding it to our same pot we used to boil the pasta with some olive oil. Then bring to medium-high heat. Continue to stir, preventing the garlic from burning. Then I added a tablespoon of dried red pepper flakes for a spicy kick, and if you don't like spice, you could skip this part. Then add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Let the paste render down until it starts loosening up by continuous stirring. We want to make sure to cook off that tomato paste taste. After a few minutes, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and black pepper. Then pour 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk and mix until well combined. I promise you can barely taste the coconut. Trust me, I was a little hesitant at first, but it tasted delicious and gave the sauce a perfect consistency. Then add the pasta back in the sauce and make sure it's incorporated in that amazing, delicious sauce. If you're loving how easy this pasta is so far, make sure to hit that like button. And by the way, you can also meal prep this pasta and portion them in tightly sealed containers up to 4 to 5 days. And look at that, top it off with some red crushed pepper flakes and black pepper. Isn't this vegan vodka pasta so simple to make? And I love how few ingredients it takes to make this pasta recipe so freaking delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Again, this recipe is posted on my blog website link below and is featured on my Instagram feed at Clarissa's Kitchen. Comment down below on what recipe you would like to see in next episode. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.